How to delete clipboard on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to delete the clipboard on Android, what you can simply do is tap on any of the app that you have. So I'm going to just choose WhatsApp over here and tap on a message box that would just pop up the keyboard system over here on your device. So as you can see, the keyboard system is right here. Now what I have to do is tap on this four squares or icon over here at the bottom left. So tap on it, and then here you can see different options over here. So tap on this middle option over here. So tap on it, and this is the clipboard option. So here you'll be able to see all the clipboards that you have had in the past. So what you have to do in order to delete the clipboard is make a long press and then tap on delete, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.